There are things, though, that we as estate planners can kind of talk to our clients about, and maybe procedures or policies that we can implement to sort of help shore up their estate plans.
Absolutely. So just kind of on the flip side, when there is a trust contest, the attorney's testimony is, again, it's so impactful. And I always cite the case of estate of Getz in every single case, because if there is an estate planning attorney in the planning process, their testimony is given great weight. It's very, very impactful. So taking good records, good notes of the meeting, who was there, who brought the client, making just the client sit in the planning meeting, having everyone else either in the waiting room, or if you don't have a waiting room, outside.
Out in the parking lot. Yeah.
In their car, the parking lot, take a walk.
We do that I'm going to say with our slightly older clients, we are kind of sensitive about that. And we will say, no, you got to come alone to the planning and also to the signing. We need you alone. And sometimes clients get upset about that. They don't like that, or it's not even, they don't like it. The children don't like it, but it's really to protect the integrity of the planning. And that's everybody's benefit, I think.
Right. And yeah, we're doing it for a reason. We don't hate your children, it's exactly for this purpose, for the preserving the evidence, making sure that, we're asking the client these open-ended questions. What do you want? Why are you making these changes? And if they have the either influence or somebody in the room that's there, it could influence their decisions and also breach confidentiality and just a whole load of legal issues that could come with it.
Right. There's that. Yeah. So we may ask questions that we wouldn't be asking a 35-year-old client. We may be just double checking to establish for our own written record that you knew what you were talking about. And this truly was what you wanted on the day that you talked to me. So that's why we might be a little more unbearable.
Thank you for joining us today for another episode of Absolute Trust Talk Live. If you enjoyed listening in, then don't forget to subscribe. You can find us on Apple Podcasts or wherever you may listen by searching Absolute Trust Talk. While you're there, we would also love for you to leave us a review. And then why not share your favorite episodes with family, friends, or colleagues too? You can find all of our shows and corresponding show notes by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com. You'll also find a variety of other free resources, including our ebooks, videos, blogs, presentations, and more. If you need help with your estate planning or administration, we also offer a free discovery call to help get the process started. You can find more information on booking your session by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com/scheduling. Don't forget to keep an eye out for our next live episode. If you join us for the broadcast, you can submit questions during the show. But if not, don't worry. You can always get in touch with us by sending a quick message to info@absolutetrustcounsel.com. Thanks again for listening. We'll see you soon.